All right, friends, today we are going on a trip. You guys are gonna come with me to pick up probably my best-selling item right now. Essentially, this is a 2-pack item that I buy from Lowe's. That all in, I pay around $5 for, a little over $5, for like $5.30. And I am selling them as a pack on Amazon for anywhere between $23 to $28, somewhere around there. And I've been doing this for a couple months now, so this has been one of my most consistent sellers, one of the best margins out there. And today, you guys are gonna come with me to pick this item up, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it and why it is the best item that I have ever sold on my Amazon store. And maybe, just maybe, at the end of this video, if you guys watch all the way through, if you can make that commitment to me, I'll show you what this item is and how to get it and how to sell it. So, let's get on the road. So let's talk about this product and a few of the problems that you may face. Now, this product is in, let's just call it the cleaning supplies section of Amazon. And the one thing that I love about this type of product is it's something that people use all the time. This is not a seasonal product. This is not a, you have to buy it ever so often. Like, if you want to clean your house, then this is something that you have to have. So it makes sense that this is a high selling product on Amazon. Not only is the rank really good, but the sales volume is insane. I can put up an image of it right now on the screen and show you guys some of the facts. But the biggest problem that I have had shipping this product is the fact that it is a liquid. And the Postal Service does not like when you ship liquids. They don't like that at all. That's a big no-no for them. So I was shipping it through the Postal Service, and eventually they said, hey, you can't ship liquids. No matter how you try to disguise it, we know it's a liquid because when we shake the box, we hear the liquid. So we had to change up our game plan. So we could no longer ship through the Postal Service. So what do? Well, then we have to pivot to UPS. But luckily, I can get UPS labels cheaper than I could USPS now. So it's actually a better deal for me. And UPS doesn't ask that many questions. They're just like, hey man, you got a package, you put stuff in it, you pay for it, we'll come pick it up. No questions asked. So that is the biggest problem when it comes to this product. If you guys haven't got ungated in any item in the household cleaning section yet of Amazon, try to get ungated, because there's a high demand. The margins are insane on those types of products, but you are gonna have to find an efficient way to ship it, because a lot of people don't like shipping liquids. So we are almost to Lowe's, so let's go get this product, and then maybe I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it. Almost got in a wreck. People are looking at me. I don't care. I'm just gonna keep going. Let's get to Lowe's. All right, we just pulled up to Lowe's. Now just to wait for them to bring the items out here, and then we can get them, talk about them a little bit more, head home, and get them all packaged up because they're already all sold. Literally, it's getting to the point where I can't order anymore from the Lowe's website, and no Lowe's around me has any left. So we're beginning to face a problem, which is why I can even make this video, because I'm getting towards the end of this product's life cycle. So yeah, that's not good. All right, we just got all the products. They're in the back seat, right back there. Okay. Note to self, blur that out later because we can't give it up just yet. Let's get these home. Get them boxed up. There's a dog. So there are a couple things to remember when you're trying to sell any item that is liquid or could be considered a cleaning product. There are certain regulations that you have to abide by. I'll link those down in the comments below, or you can find them on Amazon's website. Be sure to check the platform that you're going to ship through to, whether it's USPS, UPS, FedEx, or I don't know, Carrier Pigeon or anything else. Check their policies on liquid, because some companies aren't happy when you try to ship anything that has a liquid in it. I found that out the hard way. Thank you, Post Office. Hello, UPS. You're my new best friend. So be sure to do that research. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any questions or if I can help you any way on shipping products. I've shipped pretty much everything you can imagine. Big, small, liquid, non-liquid, all of that stuff I have done before. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know down below, or you can join Juiced and ask me in there. So I look forward to seeing you there. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. Brand new videos coming very, very soon. If you guys need any help reselling, be sure to join Juiced. Big news coming very, very soon. Stay tuned to our Twitter, link down below. If you guys want more tips on how to find these products that are reselling for big margins, what I am doing for sourcing, be sure to follow me here on YouTube and follow me on my socials, where I give out a little bit more in detailed tips. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Soul Stay from Juiced, signing out.